Bali has become one of the most visited places in Asia, and it's easy to see why, with its miles of surf beaches, volcanic landscapes, mystical temples, majestic waterfalls, unique culture and very friendly people. Plus, you receive great value for money. In this episode, I will show you an epic jungle villa positioned away from touristic locations, plus some delicious demonstrations of local and authentic Balinese food. I've come to Bali in search of the best villas and to learn more about authentic Balinese food. We're now on our way to Villa Arsana, but I think we're lost. We can't find the villa, so the driver is asking for directions. Everything looks the same here. Yeah, couple? Good. You find the entrance hidden away in this tiny alleyway. Very nice, thank you.
So much.
That's beautiful. Wow! If this is the entrance, what is the villa like? Oh my lord, this place is huge. Now this looks more like a resort than a villa. And there's only two of us staying here. I'm without words for this place. Thank you so much.
Lime soda.
Up on arrival, we were treated with a light lunch, spring rolls and chicken satay. Let me show you our room. The bedrooms are tastefully decorated in neutral tones. They are spacious and have plenty of storage space. There's even a day bed with a large TV and windows overlooking the garden. The bathroom has twin vanities with a view over a private pond. It's even got goldfish. There's a huge shower and a toilet with a view to inspire. It's a new morning and a beautiful day. Have a look at this place. It's truly a tropical paradise. Off to the gym for a workout. There's a fully equipped gym with machines and free weights. This is the gym, positioned right outside the river. And you've got to be careful that you shut the doors because sometimes the monkeys come inside and they start weightlifting and working out. Looks like a monkey's already gotten in. That's better. No monkeys, just us. There's also a tennis court. But now, breakfast. There's fresh tropical fruit and great coffee. We're having a vegetable omelette and a poached egg. I'm here in the Arsana Estate kitchen with Chef Nenga. How do you say it?
Nenga.
Nenga.
Yeah.
Not easy to pronounce for me. And he's going to cook us some traditional Balinese cuisine again. Can you say what you're going to cook?
The first I will cook Balinese soup. I call it jukut ares.
Okay, soup, yeah.
And for the second course, I will make babi kecap, pork with sweet soya. And then for dessert, pisang rai. Yeah.
Okay, I look forward to seeing what you do, so let's get started.
I will show you how to make jukut ares, Balinese soup.
The soup is made with banana stems. For the paste, we use chilies, aromatic ginger, galangal and candle nuts. For this paste, we use turmeric, lemongrass, bay leaf, garlic, black pepper and shallots. Some salt is added and then the banana stems are squeezed to remove any excess water. The spice mix is first fried in a little vegetable oil. The bay leaves and crushed lemongrass sticks are then added. The other spice mix is also added. And then the banana stems. It's topped with chicken stock, seasoned and cooked for 30 minutes. Chicken meatballs are added. It's garnished with kaffir lime leaf, fried shallots and celery leaves. You walk down this huge flight of steps and you enter this epic open-plan living area. There's lounges to relax everywhere as you listen to the water cascading into the lower pool. Check out the sheer size of this dining table, all surrounded by open-air windows. I've never seen anything like it. And if that's not enough, there's plenty of entertainment. Check out this home cinema with an 85-inch huge screen, or an even bigger projector screen. And there's also a pool table. Have a look at this amazing painting. Isn't it great? Look, it's actually brickwork that's built into the wall and it's been covered with plaster, then somehow with a chisel or something's been chipped away. Wow, what an effect. And now for a quick walk outside the villa. There's plenty of rice fields. This is the cutest little village. You'll find the locals very friendly. The houses, some look like mini temples, and some have statues that are somewhat unusual. This is not rubbish, it's the offerings to the gods. It's a chill place, so dress casually. There's even a local shop or two. Hello! Now don't be surprised if people stop to chat. Adi, nice, I'm Joel. Hey kitty kitty. This lady is drying her rice on the side of the road. Now back to the villa. A highlight of this villa is the pool. Surrounded by exotic plants and jungle treetops, it feels more like a natural pond. Now there's plenty of comfortable relaxing and sitting areas. The pool is positioned right above the river in the treetops. You may even discover some wildlife.
For the second course, I will make a babi ketchup, pork with sweet soya sauce.
For the ingredients, we have pork belly, shallots, garlic, chili, ginger, sweet soy sauce, tomato ketchup, oyster sauce, lemongrass, bay leaf, and basa ganap. In a little oil, some shallots and garlic are fried. Lemongrass and bay leaves are added. Then the basa ganap, the chili, and then the pork belly pieces. A little water, some oyster sauce, sweet soy sauce, and tomato ketchup. A little salt, and it's cooked for around 40 minutes. It's plated up and garnished with spring onion, chili, fried shallots, and celery, and it's served with fried pork skin. The Arsana Estate is a 4-bedroom villa. This room has a TV room. And the connected room next door has plenty of room for kids. There's also a twin bedroom and a bathroom. Each room has a front terrace with garden view.
When you're in Bali, it's all about not wearing shoes. Forget the shoes, leave the shoes at home. This is the ultimate massage bed because of where you are.
For dessert, I will make pisang rai.
For this, you'll need sliced bananas, flour, rice flour, tapioca, salt and sugar. All the dry ingredients are placed in a mixing bowl. A little water is added and mixed until smooth. The banana pieces are dipped in the batter, then poached in water. They are cooked as soon as they rise to the surface. A syrup is made using palm sugar, water and pandan leaf. It's plated up and topped with shredded coconut, some sugar syrup and garnished with mint, strawberry and pandan leaves. Paradise during the day and magical at night. With stylish lighting and a tropical summer air, it creates this magical ambience. Plus, it is Christmas time, and the staff was so nice to put up a tree just for us. For dinner, we had fried prawns with chilli sauce and a local fish with vegetables. Staying here was truly an unforgettable experience. Sadly, this was our last day.
Now we're off to a tree house. That'll be interesting.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Watch the next episode where we stayed in a treehouse, see a huge waterfall, plus an amazing monkey forest.